Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. Today we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your show jumping competition business. Imagine I run a club where I get a lot of inquiry about event registration, upcoming events and whatnot. Replying each inquiry individually would be a time-consuming hectic task. That's where Pabbly Chatflow make a huge difference. When users send a message, it automates your task and save your valuable time. If you want to know how to create this amazing chatbot for your own business, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. I will tell you how to create a chatbot for show jumping competition using Pabbly Chat. This chatbot will automatically respond to people's inquiry, collect their details and guide them through the inquiry process. As you can see, I have already created this chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Let me show you its real-time working. For that, I need to open WhatsApp web and over here, I will type a key message. Example, hey. As soon as I have entered my key message, I got a response reply which welcomed me to Pabbly Show Jumping Arena. And with that, I got few action button out of which I can select according to my requirement. As I want, let's say I want to know about event schedule. I will click on that. As soon as I have clicked on that, I got information about upcoming event. With that, I got a menu button and get help button. Now let's select menu button. As soon as I have selected the menu button, I got my initial message again. Now let's select register for event. As soon as I have selected that button, they have asked me a question. Number 1, which is rider's full name. For example, let's say rider's name is demo user. After that, they want to know horse name and breed. Let's say my horse name is American Quarter Horse. After that, they want to know club name. Let's say my club name is Saddle Space. After entering my club name, they have asked me about preferred height. For example, I will enter 210 centimeter. With that, I got next question in which they asked me about my phone number. I will enter my phone number. As they got every single detail about mine, they have delivered a message in which they congratulate me and tell me that my registration has been successfully done. As you can see, this chatbot is replying me within seconds, that too without any manual effort. That is the power of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to make this chatflow for your own business, then let me guide you further. For that, you need to open a new tab and over here search pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you search this, you will be on the landing page of pabbly.com. Here you can see there are two options, sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can click on sign up for free. As I am existing user, I will click on sign in. After signing in, you will be landed on all Pabbly app page. Over here, you can see there are 7 different applications. But as I'm working with Pabbly Chatflow today, I will click on Access Now button of it. After clicking on Access Now button, you will be redirected to the dashboard page. Over here, you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number from one place without opening WhatsApp separately. To add your WhatsApp number, you need to click on Add WhatsApp Number button. Inside this, you can see there are two options, Manual Token Connect and WhatsApp Connect. In Manual Token Connect, you need to enter Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID manually. But in WhatsApp Connect, you just need to verify Meta Business Management account and link your WhatsApp business account with it. Okay, not only that, there are many more features in dashboard. Let's see each feature individually. Below dashboard, there is an inbox option where you can manage all your conversation with your customer and you don't need to open WhatsApp separately. After that, we have contact section where you can create all new contacts and separate them according to your requirement. Below contact, we have team queue section where you can assign different tasks to different team members and review their performances. After that, we have template section where you can create customized template. By creating customized template, you can give personalized touch to your chat. After template, we have broadcast section where you can send mass message to bulk of customer with customized template. After that, we have flow. Flow is a powerful tool to create chatbot in Pabbly Chatflow. After that, we have AI assistant, setting and get help. If you want to know each feature individually, we have created separate video for that. Link will be provided in the description box. As we got to know about each features, let's get started building this flow. For that, we need to click on flow option and you will be on the flow builder page. Over here, you can click on add flow button to create new flow. After clicking on add flow button, you will be redirected to this page. Over here, you can see a window is open named by Flow Start. Inside this, there are 3 key features: keywords, regex, and choose template. Let's see each feature individually. Choose template is a feature where you can choose your created template to give personalized touch to your chart. Regex is a regular expression with special pattern or sequence of character used to find, match, or filter specific text. Keywords are the trigger message that your customer will put while initiating a conversation. As we got to know about all 3 features, let's build this flow. For that, you need to give a meaningful name to this flow. As we are making this chatbot for show jumping, I will name my chat flow accordingly as WhatsApp chatbot for your show jumping competition organizer. After giving a meaningful name, I will enter reject, which will identify what my customer is trying to say. Now, as soon as my customer enter a message, I want to deliver them a welcome message with a media. For that, I will drag and drop media button over here and connect with my flow start. Over here, I will browse an image. As you can see, my image is updated successfully. After that, I will enter my welcome message. For that, I will click on add content and select the text button. Over here, I will enter my message, something like this. As you can see, I have put few of my message between stars. This is because I want to highlight these message in my chatbot. After entering welcome message, I want to deliver few action button as well. For that, I will click on add button option and enter my text, register for event. For my next action button, I will enter event schedule. For the third action button, I will enter competition update. I wanted to provide one more action button with our image. For that, I will click on add button option and enter my text, contact organizer. After giving every action button, I want to give separate message for each action button. For that, let's start with register for event. To register for event, we need few detail about our customer. For that, I'm going to drag and drop ask question from action section and connect with my register event action button. That means as soon as my customer click on register event, a question will be asked to them. Now, I will enter my message, ready to take the leap. Let's get you registered. Please send the following. Number 1, rider's full name. After that, I will select contact custom field as name and my format as text. Now you must be thinking how to add this contact custom field. For that, you need to save your flow. As you can see, I got a message that flow updated successfully. That means my flow is saved. After that, you need to go to settings section. And here you can see a contact custom field option is given. By clicking on this, you will be redirected to the contact custom field page. Over here, you can add as many contact custom field as per your requirement. As you can see, I have added multiple contact custom field as per my requirement. Now I will resume back to my flow. After their name, I wanted to know about the horse name and breed. For that, I will again drag and drop ask question button over here and connect with my previous question. Don't forget to connect your previous question with your next question to continue your flow. Over here, I will enter a message which says horse name and breed. Over here, I will select contact custom field as name, breed and format as any. After horse name, I want to know club name. For that, again, I'm going to drag and drop ask question button and connect with my previous question. Over here, I will enter a message which says stable or club name. With that, I will select my contact custom field as club name and format as any. After knowing about club name, I want to know contact number of my customer. For that, again, we will follow similar step like drag and drop ask question, connect with our previous question and enter a text which says contact number and select the custom field as contact number and format as number. After knowing all the desired information, I will send them a message in which I will congratulate them for registration. For that, I will drag and drop this option and select the text button over here. Here, I'm going to enter a message, something like this. With that, I'm going to add two action button which says menu and get help. After completing our first action button, let's move to our next action button, which is event schedule. In this, I will give information about event schedule. For that, I will drag and drop and select the text button. Here, I will enter message in which I will give the information about upcoming event schedule. Like this, in which upcoming event scheduled are mentioned. With that, I will give two action button, menu and get help. After that, I will give a separate message for competition update in which I will provide update about the competition that have happened. Here, I'm going to enter a message that will give information about competition. Similarly with that, I will provide two action button which says menu and get help. I will connect my menu button with our initial message, which means as soon as someone select the menu button, they will be redirected to the initial message. And I will give a separate message for get help. For that, I will drag and drop and select the text button over here and enter my message in which I will inform that a team member will reach out to them as soon as possible. I will connect my every get help button with this message, something like this. So with that, I have filled all the desired information that would be needed to run a chat flow for show jumping competition business. After that, don't forget to save your flow. As you can see, I got a message that flow updated successfully. That means my flow is ready to run in real time. Not only this, you can create many more chatbots using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your account and create your first chatbot for free. Thank you so much.